Hey Seekers, we are Mat and Angie, two lovers on a mission to visit every region of Italy. If you are new here, welcome and please have a seat. In the previous vlog, we left you with many unanswered questions about our van. In the last days, the mechanic worked on the van. He cleaned the oil tank and he discovered that the oil pump was broken. We changed it and it costed us $500, but the problem is not solved yet. After a lot of crying, we still don't know how to fix the van, and that's why today we are gonna change plans many times. What are we gonna do?
I'm starting to think to change our plans and try in another way, like to do the tour in another way. The problem with me is that I don't want to spend all our money to fix Pussy, because my purpose was to see Italy, not to fix a van. So if it was just one problem and you gotta to fix it, it's okay. But then if you have to lose a lot of time trying to figure out what the problem is and still you don't know what it is and you have to try, we don't have the time and the money to do that.
Yeah.
And we can spend our money in such a better way. Good morning, Seekers.
Such a nice method to start a vlog.
Yep. We have made our decision.
Because we had two options.
Yeah.
The first one called the ACI and
Get Pussy back in Livorno, where there's our mechanic, and we were thinking of continuing this trip in another way. The other option was to
keep going on and see if the engine broke.
Yeah, because if we don't fix the bronzine and those are the issue, the engine may broke. We don't know how many kilometers, like 5 kilometers, 100 kilometers, 1,000. Yeah,
we don't know
how long it's gonna last.
Yeah, and we took this decision because the price of fix the engine or change the engine is pretty much the same.
Yeah, we have decided, let's break it. Let's break this. I thought this was gonna happen like at the end of the trip.
Yeah, me too.
I had this sensation, but it was just because the vehicle is really old. But I didn't think it would happen like in our seventh region.
Yeah, eighth region.
Eighth region. Oh my god. Let's go.
Let's go, yeah.
Let's hit the road again. We are still in the parking spot of the mechanic. Yesterday when we were supposed to leave, the beeping alarm was still on. He didn't disconnect it. And so today we are gonna fix it. Just unplug the alarm of the oil and we're probably gonna hit the road.
No!
Tell the Seekers what we are eating.
We are eating the focaccia barese, which is a typical pizza in Bari with the pasta of the pizza, the fresh tomato on it, and it's delicious. It's
Let's go!
Ciao ciao! Grazie!
We couldn't go any further with that beep, beep, beep. I talked with the mechanic of the Volkswagen and he told me that the alarm of the oil, the beep, 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 is in a place which cannot be touched because it's a security measure that cannot be unplugged, and the sound will still be there if there's this kind of problem. So the problem is unsolvable if we don't fix the problem inside the engine.
So we have come back to our mechanic.
This mechanic here.
Yeah, and backpacking all our needed.
Everything.
Clothes,
all the electrical gear, everything.
or there. Now we are supposed to go to train station
In Bari.
in Bari, yeah, pick up a train to Livorno, and then we will arrive in Livorno. We backpacking again in
With bigger backpacks.
yeah, and finish our tour of Italy by train.
Yeah, it's a complete different adventure, but we are ready for it. Angie is the most melancholic.
Yeah, I'm a little bit sad for leave Pussy here and leave Pussy for this adventure.
No, baby, stop crying. I'm gonna cry too if you do.
But I'm happy to be here with you and continue our journey.
Mm. Now that we have a little bit of spare time before the train arrives, we are gonna explain you a little bit better what we are gonna do with the Pussy van and maybe our plan. We don't have a plan yet.
No, we don't have a plan. But we know that our journey continues.
So, Pussy will be transferred to Livorno probably in 10 days. And we booked the tickets to Livorno. Aci is gonna pay for those. And once we are in Livorno, we are gonna decide what to do next. And until there, we are feeling good because we know that Pussy will be brought back to Livorno, which is great. And we'll see.
I'm feeling a little bit better because I know that this journey is not about Pussy, but is about us.
Is about two ball seekers deciding to live up to the adventures that the fate give us. We must continue, and I'm so happy. I'm excited.
Yeah,
let's go.
And I'm happy because a new adventure
Starts here,
Start here, yeah.
which is crazy. Oh my god, let's wait for the train. Being on a train, we are finally realizing that we left Pussy Van behind. We are experiencing so many highs and lows. We had to empty some SD cards and the iPhones that were full, and so we had to look at all the footage, the pictures, the videos, everything. It was kind of tough. It feels like having left behind something that is like our home, properly our home. Our train would be in half an hour, but we're gonna attempt to take a earlier train, but we have just few minutes between the two of them, and we are late.
So we are not sure to do it.
Yep, but we'll try. We made it!